徐文、
Anna,
Zati,
Ika, waiting.
GM fish are organisms whose genetic material DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. The aim is to introduce a new trait to fish which does not occur naturally in the species. Zebrafish were the first glofish available in pet stores. The fluorescent color in glofish is produced by an inherited fluorescent protein gene.
Now, we will proceed to purpose. First, the glofish help to protect the environment pollutant, and it also helps scientists determine when the waterway is pollutant. When the fish become fluorescent, that means the water is pollutant.
Glofish receive their glow from a gene which encodes for the GFP, that stands for green fluorescent protein, which originally extracted from a jellyfish that naturally produced this bright green fluorescence. Those genes were micro-injected into zebrafish eggs, and these foreign genes later become a part of the genetic makeup of the injected zebrafish. Thus, the fluorescent color acquired by this transgenic zebrafish can be stably transmitted to all future generations. This technology can also be applied to other ornamental fish species.
Firstly, glofish are able to detect environmental pollutants and toxins. They will fluoresce in the presence of toxin. Next, glofish are environmental peaceful, which means that they are safe for the environment and do not cause any harm. Besides, glofish are easy to reproduce fluorescent offsprings. The introduction of glofish also helped to step forward in genetic engineering. Furthermore, glofish help scientists better understand questions in genetic, molecular biology, and vertebrate development. Last but not least, glofish are helpful in understanding cellular disease as well as cancer and gene therapy. Firstly, glofish cannot survive in cold water as their habitat is in tropical water. Next, humans are not allowed to consume glofish as this is a legal action. Besides, Australia, Canada, and Europe ban the marketing of glofish because many people are worried about the effect of letting the GMO glofish into the wild. Furthermore, there are some disturbance of genetic information due to the glofish with interbreed with other fishes. Lastly, glofish create the risk of exploitations.
Some people think that glofish has stirred up a lot of controversy with objections and even legal action that it is being sold without government regulation and could cause problems if bred with other fish or released into waterways. If glofish released into the wild, they would become a disruptive invasive species competing with other fish. They will also interbreeding with fish whose genomes are very similar. Glofish will easily eaten by predators because of their obvious color. Glofish do not pose a threat to the environment. It doesn't hurt the fish and had a beneficial effect with its use in ecological studies.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. 谢谢.
감사합니다.
Terima kasih.
Created using Powtoon.